What we got here today? Sounds like a screeching going on here. On this Jeep 60 here. Look at some screeching. Forerunners. Yep, there it is, a Jeep 60. I see it. 1, 2, 3. See 78 there. And a Norfolk Southern SD70M for the cool grains. This is Norfolk Southern 60AN. Carrying the 60AN. Look at that. This is Norfolk Southern 60AN there. This is what it's gonna do. This is Norfolk Southern drain. This is 4 engines. Usually it's 2 engines. Cool SD70M Freire there. Cool there. Look at that. Look at that Jeep 60 grain train. Cool there. It's BO5 share. Look at that. Carrying one of the grains there. This is Norfolk All 356. This is train carrying in Erie, Pennsylvania. That is not the All 356. That's Erie. This is not the All 356. This is BO5. This is not All 356 there. It's just a drain. No, that is not. That's not All 356. That is Norfolk Southern drain. Dude, no, that's not a local. It's a grain. 660 on the Michigan line here. Those are 50 on the NS train. So when I just got out here, I saw a grain going by. We keep on carrying grain, and they're not locals. It's usually carrying locals. These might be. Oh, why is. Why ain't Norfolk Southern trains gone? Norfolk Southern Jeep 60. You say he's not gonna get stuck by this one. It's gonna be this long train. It's carrying grains. I've never seen that before to carry grains. If you've ever seen that, let me know in the comments. Comments, listen, there's a grain. Comments, listen to the grain train. Don't know why he's carrying a long train. There's a lot of screeching there. This is a long train. They usually carry hundreds of. They usually have locals. Just made it. They're carrying an SD70M and an SD78 and 2 pair of G60s. usually carry four, not they usually carry four Jeep 60s, not Jesse's usually carry four Jeep Lawrence's a Jeep 60. Usually carry green, so we usually carry Olcos. But they usually carry grains now. It's 2024, not 2023 anymore. Look at that grains. Look at all this grain train. That's the longest grain we'll ever see in a while. Looks like he's picking up speed here. That looks like the train's going really fast. That's an Norfolk Southern rain. He's like he's picking up speed here. I don't know why he's picking up speed. He's going 30s. He usually goes 20s and 15s. I don't know why he's going 30 mile an hour. There's the end of Norfolk Southern. There's the end of NSP05. NSP05. B05 Renison. B05 starts out in Erie, Pennsylvania. This is Norfolk Southern CSX C745. No, not CSM. This is CSX G108. That's train Q108. That's train Nathan. Albany, New York. Goes all the way up to New York. Goes to Chicago, Illinois. Turns New York. Goes to Chicago, Illinois, and Pepper Park. On this Wednesday. On the Saturday. This Sunday, November 28th, 2021. The trains on YouTube. Go to the next video. Roll it.